Hello and welcome to Module 6. In this, we will learn how to prepare a price list using reference links. And the first part is to prepare a single sheet price list. Price list which we are going to make is going to look like this. It's going to have multiple sections, like in this case projectors, screens, cables, etc. Now this particular price list is just 65 rows long, but you can have very lengthy price lists which are going up to hundreds of rows. I have even seen price lists which are going beyond 1000 rows. So in such cases, it is very important to have links which will take you to the various sections directly. For example, if I click on cables, it should take me to the section for cables. So let's see how we will learn this. As I scroll down in this sheet, you would notice that the first 4 rows up to this row remain stationary throughout the usage of the worksheet. So we will learn how to freeze the top rows for the title purpose. Next, we will also see how to write within a cell in line by line manner whenever such description is required. So whenever you want to make a price list, you are obviously going to make it based on your cost information, for which case we will use our technique which we learnt in template, in which we had the quotation made with cost details. So you will use this bit of information and prepare your selling price based on your cost and the desired markup that you have. Once you have prepared your price list using this method, let's say this is your price list where you have cost details, you have put formulas, and you have arrived at the selling price. We obviously cannot give this price list to your sales team or your customer. So we need to prepare a final price list which can be shared with sales team and the customer without the cost information, after removing the formulas and preparing in a nice presentable manner. In order to do that, the first thing you will do is save this file which has cost details and your selling price calculation as internal price list or confidential price list or whatever name you wish to give, which will signify that this file cannot be shared to everyone. Once you have done that, we will once again save this file, save as, and we will remove the name, the word internal, and just have price list and save it. Now this is the worksheet which we will work on in order to make it look like our final price list. Before deleting the cost details, we have to make sure that we save our calculations of selling price by removing the formula behind it. For the demonstration purpose, I have written formula on the first selling price here and kept a appropriate cost to arrive at the selling price. Now let's see what happens if I delete the cost price without removing the formula from here. So I'm going to delete the cost price and the selling price disappears because it is completely dependent on what number appears in the cost cell. So this is what you need to do before you delete the cost details. Let me explain. Let's first undo this move by using Ctrl Z. Assuming that this formula is running throughout your worksheet, what we will do is select the entire column. We will copy this information by Ctrl C, right click on the column, click on paste special, then click on values and click on OK. What this is going to do is, now when you come to this cell, there is no formula here but the absolute value which you worked out using your formula before. Now if you delete this cost, nothing is going to change here. So now it is safe to delete cost details from the file, and then we will also change the title from internal to just price list.